$2.3 million. Some even quoted the US saying $3.8 million. Kathy, tell us, what is your current prediction and what's the rationale and what's the timeline you're talking about?
Okay, I can clarify all of this, and you heard it first here because I was asked questions from different angles. So our forecast for 2030 is $1.5 million. Now, that used to be our bull case. Our last published forecast was bull case $1.5 million per Bitcoin versus I think $66,000 right now. Now, those other numbers came from a study that we did about institutions. If they allocated optimally to Bitcoin last year, using the Sharpe ratio and volatility analyses, if they allocated optimally last year, then 19% of their portfolios would have been in Bitcoin. Now that sounds crazy, but if they had, that alone, institutions doing that would have added 2.3 to that $1.5 million estimate. But that is obviously after a great year. Interestingly, this year is starting out even better than last year. So if I had to give you one number, it would be 1.5 million. If I had given you the number last year, it would have been closer to 600,000. Why did we add that amount to the 1.5 million? It's because of the green light that the SEC gave institutions in the US by approving the spot Bitcoin ETFs. And then one last thing, the optimal allocation, if you were doing modern portfolio theory over the last 7 years, would have been 5%, a 5% allocation to Bitcoin. That is how we get to that $1.5 million estimate, because we think institutions will be heading in that direction.
Thank you, Kathy. Everyone, you know the number, $1.5 million.